Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be showing you how you can use AI to get a fast start in making money from affiliate marketing and making thousands of dollars a month. AI is continually evolving and the new updated versions available today make it even easier to start your own business. Today we are going to be using this AI to help us quickly start making money through an automated affiliate marketing initiative. I make these videos to show you real ways on how to make money, whether it be a regular daily income, making money online or passive income, and to find tried and tested methods that will increase your financial well-being. If you are interested in making multiple incomes, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be notified of future videos. Now let's go. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way for people to earn money by promoting products or services online. Imagine you have a favourite book and you tell your friends about it. Now imagine if the bookstore gave you a small reward every time someone bought that book because of your recommendation. That's how affiliate marketing works. You share a special link to a product or service on your website, blog or social media. When someone clicks on that link and buys something, you get a small commission as a thank you for helping to make the sale. It's a simple and popular way for companies to reach more customers and for individuals to earn extra income by sharing products they like. Now imagine doing it for hundreds of products and receiving hundreds of commissions. That is how you make a lot of money in affiliate marketing. And guess what? Once you have done the work and set it up, then you get paid for doing nothing extra every time there is a sale. I am going to take you through step by step how to use AI to help you set up an automated affiliate marketing process. We are going to do this through 4 easy steps. 1. Find a product to sell. 2. Use AI to design a free gift to give away. 3. Future-proof your business and set up automated sales. And 4. Identify where to get free traffic from for your offer. As we progress through these step by step, you will see how it all comes together. Number 1. Find a product. You can make commissions through promoting either physical or digital products. While you can build a business promoting physical products, their commissions are lower than those in digital products, so I am going to focus today on digital affiliate marketing. There are a lot of places you can go to in order to source products on which you can get paid affiliate commissions, and the easiest places to start are on Digistore24, ClickBank, JVZoo. For today's video I'm going to use ClickBank. So the first thing you want to do is head over to ClickBank. If you haven't got an account, then set one up. Once in ClickBank and you've got an account signed up, then click onto the affiliate marketplace. This will open up a new screen, and if you go into top offers, and then this gives you all the offers that are the most popular. So once you get into the marketplace and you're in top offers, scroll down and you'll find the top offers, the best selling converting ones. What you can see here is the average commission that you get paid for each sale. You can see the gravity score, and the gravity score, the higher the better. This means that there are more sales and more conversions the higher the gravity score. So anything over 40 has got a good gravity score and is worth selling. And then this one has a recurring or a rebill. So this means that the people that buy this product will then have a recurring payment for additional products, and you will get paid $17.53 on average for every one of those rebuild recurring sales. So Live Pure looks like a really good product to sell from an affiliate perspective. So let's click in and have a look at what the actual product's about. So here we can see that it's actually to do with weight loss and getting rid of belly fat. 100% money back guarantee. So this looks like a good one. And the other thing here is that we can see that it has a new scientific discovery. So scientists discover a hidden root cause of stubborn belly fat and it will surprise you. So this has got some good marketing. Then it brings us to a video, and this is actually where any prospective customer that clicks on your link will be taken to. So there's a video that they can watch.
In the moments that follow, you'll be seeing an ancient Mediterranean ritual so powerful that without a second of dieting.
So now we have a product, we are going on to step 2. This is to use AI to design a free gift to give away, and in this video I'm going to create an ebook. So the next step is to create a free product that we can give people about weight loss, and that'll be interesting to them and entice them to come and trust us and to buy more products from us. And this is the way that we use to build trust, and is a way to collect email addresses in turn for our free book. So I've come over to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to write me a book, no more than 10 pages, on the topic, what are the top and fast ways to lose weight in 2023. So what ChatGPT does in its replies, it gives me the outline to the book. And as you can see, this isn't a full book that we could hand out as a free gift to people. And it's given us the outline for the book. What we now need to do is we now need to go back and say, write me the introduction in no more than 400 words. And what ChatGPT will do now is it'll write me the introduction. And as it writes the introduction, what we do is then we go through each chapter of the book and ask ChatGPT to do the same thing until we've got a full book. And once you have a full book, then we just save it into a PDF file. So once you have your book content, then you need a book cover. And I've headed over to Canva, where I'm going to design a book cover. And this is a free software. There are paid options as well. So if we go to the top, the right hand side, and click create design, and in here we find book cover, that will open up another page where we have another search box on a book cover there. So we can put health and then scroll down and select one that we want to use. I like that one. And then what we need to do is we need to start changing this for our ebook. You see these things can move around. So I'm going to, a book about losing weight is, I like that actually. Losing weight is easy. And we shall put there in 2023. In 2023. I like that. Losing weight is easy in 2023. And there we have it. That's our book cover done. So what we now need to do is download it onto the computer, like we've got the PDF file of all the words. So click share and then click download. We don't want it as a PDF, we want it as a picture. A JPEG is the smallest. And then I'm just going to reduce this so it's not too big a file, and then click download, and boom, there it is. It's downloaded it, and we now have a book cover to go along with our book. So now you have an ebook. Step 3 is to future-proof your business and automate sales. Having a product link from ClickBank, it would be easy to just copy and paste that link into the places you will advertise. However, if you are doing this on social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok or YouTube, then if something happened and you got banned or had a problem with your account, the whole business could be pulled from under your feet. It is therefore important to build a separate list of emails so that you can have something to give you continuity. A list of emails is something that you can own and not lose if you have to change platforms. Also, with a growing list, you can develop a community and relationship with them that builds their trust in you, and they are happy to receive your offers. To do this, we're going to put them through your own landing page and give them the free book in return for their email address, and then send them to your affiliate page. There are a number of platforms to do this on, such as ClickFunnels and Aweber, but for today I'm going to use Clickera. If you don't have a Clickera account, then I have put my affiliate link below in the description for you to start one for free. So the next thing is to create a landing page, a place where we can capture people's email address, give them the free book, and then send them over to our affiliate offer. And the one that we're using today is Clickera. So head over to Clickera and you'll get onto this page. You can actually start with a free account by putting your email in and then sign up for a free account. Once you've got your free account and you head over to Clickera, then you want to click on to funnels, because we're going to create a funnel to do this, and click new, and that will open up a drop box for a new funnel. This will bring up a new create funnel box, and as you'll see from using this, you don't need to be an expert. This is really easy to use. So just for the sake of today's video, I'm going to give this test as a name, and then the funnel type is to collect leads and build your email list, and then click create. This will open up a new page, and this is where we build our funnel, and it gives us 2 pages to our funnel. The first one's the squeeze page and the second one is the thank you page. The squeeze page is where we're going to collect the information, and the thank you page is where it's going to give thank you and send out any particular links. So just on the squeeze page, we scroll down. I'm going to pick a nice easy one, and then on the thank you page I'm just going to select this nice easy thank you page as well. So back into the squeeze page and go over here and click the edit page content, the pencil, and once it comes up, this will allow you to edit the page. As you can see, it's built as a page, quite a complicated page that looks really nice, but we want to keep it simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the subscribe forms, click that and get a subscribe form and drag it onto the page, and there we have our subscribe form. Now we're not going to need all these things above, so if we just click into them and hit the delete button, we can delete those pieces. So now we need to make some changes, because we're actually not asking them to subscribe, but we're giving them a free book. So if we double click in here, we can just put get your free book, and then in here we could type something like learn the best ways to lose weight in 2023, free PDF book. So that's a good start. Now what we need to do is we now need to load the details of the book into the page. So what we do is we double click on here on that picture, and then we go and get our losing weight book and drag it into there to upload it, and there we go, it's uploaded it and we have the book on our page. So this is looking pretty good. When people come to this page and see the book, then they're not going to be subscribing, they're going to enter their email here and then they're going to want to download the book. So we're going to go click that button and change that to download book. There we go, and that's the squeeze page basically that we've got there. Losing your weight book, click to download the book. We can just get rid of that, and there you go, it's looking pretty good. Press this button to go back to the funnel, and then now what we're going to do is we're going to work on the thank you page. So click the thank you page and click the edit the page content, and what we want to happen here is we want this to be where we allow them to go to our offer to buy the product. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to put a button on there that they could click. So now we put a button on there that they can click that will allow them to go to our offer. But that's not what says up here, is it? So the first thing to do is we need to put something in here that will entice them to go and click our offer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to our product that we've chosen, and back on the product, if I scroll down, I'll start to see some of the marketing material that they've put, and here we have January 2023 new scientific discovery. So I'm going to copy that and put that into our thank you page. And I'm going to replace this by double clicking it and then just pasting what we have just done. I like that. So now that we have that looking how we want, the next thing to do is we need to put our affiliate link onto this button for the product, so that when people click it, they will go and buy the product using our affiliate link, and we will get paid the commission. So to do that, we head over back into ClickBank. Then when we're back in ClickBank, we find our product and we click this promote button and create our hot link. And what that does is it gives us this hot link that we copy, and that's the link to our product. So we need to make changes to this button to put our link on to drive people to click here to go and find out more, that will send them to our affiliate page for the product. So the first thing to do is the action is to send them to a URL. So that's going to send them to a web link, and the web link is going to be what we've just taken from ClickBank. And then I'm just going to change this to say click here to find out more. And there we go. We now have click here to find out more. We've got the URL link that it'll send it to, and that's good to go. So let's just take a look at what we've done. If we go back to funnels on Clickera, then we've got our test funnel, which is live. And if I click on the link, it takes us to this page. So this is the page that is now on the internet using our link. As you can see, they get the free book, which they put the email address in to download it, and we will send them the book. test@test.com. This is where they would put their email address in, and then they click download book. It takes them to the thank you page, and then on the thank you page, if they click here to find out more, it takes them to our affiliate page. So you can see that we've quite quickly put a book up on a funnel. Once they opt in to take the funnel, they can then click get through to our affiliate link, and then if they go and watch this video and then buy the product, we get paid the commission. And if they then make recurring purchases, we get the recurring commissions too. There you go. Now that you have it all set up, then on to step 4. How to get people to your landing pages. There are 3 ways to get your landing pages in front of people. You could just use social media. For example, with your product here, you can join weight loss groups on Facebook and engage with them in some posts. Once you've engaged with some posts and they trust you, then you could post about something you have found and add your links on your posts. You could post short videos on platforms like TikTok. You could even set up your own Facebook group to build an audience for this and for future offers. You could also go down the route of paid ads either on Facebook or Google Ads. You could add the links to your own blog or website, or you could even add them to your own YouTube channel. The objective is to build out numerous products and promote them to start to bring in multiple incomes that will pay you for a long time with thousands of dollars each month. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and got a ton of value from it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.